Hi guys, welcome back to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see comparison video of Sunsilk Shampoo and Chik Protein Shampoo. Before telling you about my opinion, I just want to tell you that this is my personal opinion and the products which may suitable to me may not be suitable to you. Which might be suitable to you might not be suitable to me. So this is based on my personal opinion. Let's start with the video. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe to our channel and hit like button. First, if I want to talk about Sunsilk shampoo, then the packaging is quite good. They have even made it attractive by showing it 37% extra, and this shampoo costed me 1 rupee. The name of this shampoo is Sunsilk Shampoo, and it's for thick and long hair, which has yogurt protein. Now let's see what they have given back. On the back side of the product, they have given that Sunsilk Thick and Long. Sunsilk Thick and Long Shampoo with yogurt protein gives you visibly thickens and fuller hair. Based on lab test on Sunsilk system versus uncleaned hair. Shampoo made in India, marketed by Hindustan Unilever Limited. For manufacturing unit address, read the first character of the code and see seal. Manufactured by Hindustan Unilever Limited, Amli, Silvassa, 396 to 30 DNNH MDNH/C/24, Hindustan Unilever Limited. It's made at Vadamangalam, Pondicherry. Sorry if I pronounced it in a wrong manner. Available in selected state or cities outlets only. Stock without these offers are also available. So MRP of this product is 1 rupee including all the taxes. Net volume of this product is 5.5 ml, 4 ml plus 37% extra. And for any queries and all, you can call them on their toll-free number, and even they have given their PO box address, and you will able to see a clear logo of Hindustan Unilever Limited. And they have given packaging and manufactured by Vimalachal Print and Pack Private Limited. If I want to talk about the packaging, then it's quite good. Now let's see about Chik Shampoo. They have mentioned that on Chik Shampoo they have given 20% extra. The name of the product, Chik Protein Solution for thick and glossy hair. It has badam protein, bringraj oil, black tea, which is damn good for your hair. It's for gorgeous shiny hair. Again, the cost of the product is 1 rupee. I like the packaging of the Sunsilk shampoo as compared to this product. Now let's see what they have given behind. Given the name of the product, that is Chik Shampoo. Hair shine and strengthen your hair, thereby helping you to get thick hair. Get gorgeous looking shiny hair with regular usage of Chik Thick and Glossy Shampoo. They have even given benefits of using this shampoo. It reduces hair fall due to hair breakage. Based on lab result under test condition, based on consumer research study done in 2019, individual result may vary. So here they have mentioned that the results may vary from person to person. Directions for use: apply on wet hair, leather and rinse, and it's for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. And this is a product of Kevin Care. The manufacturing address also. Net volume of this product is 5 ml plus 1 ml extra, that will be 6 ml, compared to 5 ml Chik shampoo. MRP I already told you, 1 rupee only, and for use before 1 month, made in India. So this is also made in India. Now I'm going to open this shampoo for you and I'm going to show how the product looks from inside. This is how Sunsilk shampoo looks from inside. It's little bit shiny, and this is how this Chik shampoo looks from inside. It's black in color and Sunsilk is white in color. You will able to clearly see that Chik shampoo is thick as compared to Sunsilk shampoo. In both this shampoo you will able to see that Chik shampoo has more shine as compared to Sunsilk shampoo. Sunsilk shampoo also has shine, but you won't be able to see it properly because I use this white color plate, and black color is Chik shampoo. If you ask me about which shampoo is better, then it totally depends on you, but personally I felt like this shampoo worked better for me. Whenever I oil my hair, I just need to apply this 1 rupee shampoo on my hair and then just massage my hair for 2-3 minutes and with normal water. So after washing my hair, I feel like my hair are more manageable. Whenever other shampoo, it was not that much the proper result I got, but when I started using this shampoo, personally it really surprised me because it costed just ₹1. Whenever I used to see those expensive shampoos, and most of the time I used to buy those bottle shampoos only, but once I started using this 1 rupee sachet, then it really made me feel like it's really worth. And I feel like if we are using sachet shampoo, then even if you have short hair or long hair, then it's like they give you proper quantity which your hair need exactly. But when we purchase those bottle shampoos and all, that time sometimes it may happen that we may take more shampoo, or sometimes we may take less shampoo, so we don't have exact idea how much shampoo we should use for our hair. But this sachet has really changed my opinion about shampoos, and most of the time if I want to experiment on my hair, then most probably I'll be going for sachet shampoos only. That's all for today. Thanks for watching it, guys, and do subscribe to my channel and do hit like button, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you, and thank you for your valuable time.